Let's make a double treble. This is another taller stitch, this purple one here, that's taller than the regular treble if you've watched that little clip. The double treble has 3 yarn overs. The treble had 2, the double crochet had only 1. This one has 3, 2 and 3. That gives you 4 starting loops on your hook. You must then go into the target space according to your pattern, stitch or gap, wherever you're told to go. Now we do just like every other stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, but this time we do it 4 times. That's 3 and that's 4. And we get a very tall stitch, much taller than the treble below it. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3 yarn overs, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 once, yarn over, pull through 2 twice, 3 times and 4 times. And that's why it's called the double treble. Not the quadruple. I guess my brain wants to call it a quad, but it's not. It's a double treble if you ever see that anywhere. 1, 2, 3 yarn overs, pull up a loop, pull through 2 once, twice, 3 times and 4. Just like that. Let me see how much taller and how much looser and gappier that stitch is. So here we have a single, a half double, a double, a treble, and the double treble crochet. Have fun.